Hello there, and welcome to the third video in my series on Forex Signal Live. If this is the first video you've watched, welcome to the site, and let me introduce myself. My name is Mark. I'm the head trader at Forex Signal Live, and I want to share with you the Holy Grail of trading. Everybody's looking for the Holy Grail. Everyone's looking for the magical systems, and people spend hours on forums, buy hundreds of books, all looking for the magical trading system. And the problem with looking for magical trading systems is they do not exist. The secret of trading will be revealed to you in this video, and let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little story. Actually, let me just say this before we start. Anything worthwhile in life takes some time and effort to master, and trading is no different. If you have itchy fingers and a feeling like you want to dismiss this message and go back to looking for the magical system, then you're in great danger. Please listen to this whole video and I promise you the truth about trading and how to become good at it. Of course, there's a never-ending supply of marketers out there trying to sell you on the idea of easy money. It's all lies designed to get you excited and to part with your money. That's only the first burn. The second burn is when you start trading, you discover that it's just not that easy. Those who survive this get smart really quick and learn to recognize the lies. Those who don't survive go away with an opinion of Forex without realizing that they were doomed to fail from day one, and that's very sad. So I want to share with you the truth about trading. It's not about the system. I can point you to 5 or 10 different systems that will work. But they only work if you understand something very, very important. And that is, every system is only good with an understanding of price action, a good sense of fundamentals, and just plain old sense for the market. So I'm going to reveal for you the Holy Grail of trading. Are you ready? Now before I tell you, I warn you, it's very easy to dismiss my next messages. But I promise you that I'm right. You may not realize it today, but if you continue trading, you'll realize it one day. So I've delayed telling you long enough. The Holy Grail of trading is everything that follows from here on in. Now let me tell you a story. When I first started my service, I had a member who contacted me one day to cancel. Now I knew we'd had a pretty good month, so I asked him why he was leaving. He told me that he'd lost money with my service. And he was actually a little bit irritated with me, which I found surprising because we'd had a really good month. So I asked him how he'd lost the money. He told me that he'd taken the first 3 trades that I'd done, and they had actually been losing trades. We'd had 3 losing trades in a row. On the 4th trade, he was afraid to trade because I'd had 3 losing trades. So on the 4th and 5th trades, he didn't trade. But those 2 trades actually netted about 300 pips. When he saw that I'd made 300 pips on these 2 trades, he decided to start trading with me again. And on the 5th trade, I had a small loss again. It was only about 30 pip loss, but still a loss. So of course, he had lost again. He then lost all faith and became very fearful and stopped trading completely. At the end of the month, he blamed me and asked for his money back. And of course I obliged, and that's fine. And what struck me from that story is that it's true. It's been said that 2 people can trade the same system and one will lose money and one will make money. So it's what happens in your mind that is the most important thing. Everything you do comes from your personal mindset. So the first Holy Grail in trading is as follows. If you're not in control of your emotions are in control of you. That secret is priceless, and it seems so simple. Are you in control of your emotions, or do your emotions control you? Now this isn't supposed to be some spiritual wax on, wax off type discussion. It's true though. Everything we do is controlled by our mindset. The way we think, the way we act, the way we work, the way we react to people, is all based on our preconceived ideas. So the first, as I say, the first Holy Grail of trading is gaining awareness of and control over what your mind is doing. Okay. The next Holy Grail of trading is to realize that everything in trading is based on raw price action and not indicators. Indicators should only be used to help enhance what price action is doing. When I say price action, I'm referring to candlestick patterns themselves, the recent highs and lows, etc. Also realize that the market moves the way it does due to the battle between traders buying and selling. When it goes up, there's more buyers than sellers. It's that simple. When it goes down, there's more sellers than buyers. Understand this. This is a herd mentality. So it's more important to think about the herd mentality. Only then will you understand why price will turn at resistance levels or continue. So price action rules. Indicators are a helper, nothing more. For example, you get a buy signal, but when you look at the signal, you see that price has been hitting a level for the past 3 days. Do you blindly buy, take the signal, just because 2 indicators lined up? No, of course you don't. You wait. You wait to see if it breaks or holds. This simple truth is vital, but so little understood. Support and resistance levels are the most important thing to be aware of and understood in trading. The next Holy Grail of trading is experience. It's not rocket science. It just takes some time to gain the experience you need. Experience is the best teacher. The idea of my service is to create an environment whereby, while you're learning to trade, you can also do some trading by riding my coattails. You can ask me questions and you can get a real feeling for trading. You can gain some experience and without losing all of your money. And that was my main motivation for starting the service. There's other motivations, of course, and for another discussion, but that was one of my motivations. The last thing you need for your Holy Grail system, or the Holy Grail in trading, is a good system. Now, I put the system last. Most people put the system first, and that's the mistake. The system is last. Of course, you need a system, but it's last in importance. That's what I mean by that. The system needs to be your system. It needs to work for you. I personally like to use moving averages, support and resistance only. I watch price action and I've mastered that. Well, I've not mastered it. I don't think you ever master trading, but I'm good at it. Somebody else may like to use RSI and Bollinger Bands. Others may use chart patterns. Whatever you use, you can never ignore the other factors affecting the market. You have to be holistic. Did news just come out that strengthens the dollar? Did price just reach the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart? Did a head and shoulders just form? Is price hitting the top of a channel on the daily chart? It matters not what your system is that you use to pull the trigger if you ignore everything else. You don't have to be an expert on everything else, but you need to know what might be in the way of a trade you're about to take going wrong. Most of my personal losing trades are due to something I missed, not because the market is against me personally. So in closing, if you were expecting some magical secret, I want you to remove that idea from your mind from today. It doesn't exist. I've just told you the secrets of trading, and I stand by that. It's not exciting, but when you master it, you can make a lot of money. And that is my summary of the Holy Grail of trading. I hope you find it useful, and if you'd like to contact me, my telephone number is on the website. I'd be happy to discuss anything, and I'd be happy to help you out as a member of my service. I look forward to you joining if you choose to do so. If you don't choose to do so, that's fine. I hope you've learned something from these videos. Thank you very much.